What if I told you there's a free AI tool that can face swap you into a meme, turn your text into viral stickers, and give your content a glow up, all in seconds? And most importantly, it's 100% free. No subscriptions, no credit card, just free magic. Sounds unbelievable? Then watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. Meet PixNova AI, your new all-in-one creative sidekick that's 100% free, packed with every feature your content craves. 1 second you're swapping looks with a celebrity in a video. The next, you're dropping AI-generated stickers that make your DMs explode. Want to test a bold new hairstyle or create a pro headshot? PixNova AI's got you. Whether you're crafting reels, spicing up stories, or just trolling your group chat, this tool is your shortcut to "How did you do that?" reactions. And did I mention it costs nothing? Okay, to access PixNova AI, visit pixnova.ai or click on the link given in the description. Once you are on this page, you will find all the tools or products at the top of the page. First of all, let's start with the AI Face Swap tool. Here, you will find several options. I will go with AI Face Swap. This is the Face Swap interface. There are 3 options available here: Photo Face Swap, Video Face Swap, and Multiple Face Swap. To swap faces from any image, go with the Photo Face Swap feature. Here in step 1, we have to upload the source image. I am uploading this image. After uploading the source image, upload the reference face image. This time, I will upload this image. Once the images are uploaded, click on Start Face Swapping. It will take some time to swap the faces. And here it is. Our image is ready. This is the final result. You can see that PixNova AI perfectly swaps the faces, and the result is just amazing. I love it. Before moving forward, let me introduce another way to make some real money. You can create a shorter version of your video on various social media, and guess what? With Kalp AI, you can turn your videos into viral shorts within a second. First, head over to Kalp App. It is an AI-powered tool that automatically turns your long videos into shorts. Now click here to sign in. It only takes a second. After that, paste your long video link in this box that you want to turn into shorts. Here you can see some caption presets. You can select your likely one from these. You are also able to set your own caption from here. Now set the video duration. Here you can see various language options. Just select your preferable language. Now set the video dimensions to portrait. After that, simply hit the Generate Shorts option. Now wait for some time to generate shorts. I am fast forwarding this part. And boom! Our short clips are ready to download. You can simply download suitable shorts from here. To modify the clip, click here, and it will take you to a new interface. If you don't like the captions font, you can change it. You can also fix the font size, color, and much more. With this crop option, you are able to set the video frame. The interesting part is you can easily trim your video. Simply click here, delete the part that you don't want, and add the part that you want in your video. It's that simple. After everything is set, just download it from here. In just a few minutes, your viral short video is ready to engage your audience. Share it as Reels, TikTok, or anything you want. Try Kalp App today and start growing. The link will be in the description. Alright, now let's try swapping faces in a video. Go to the Video Face Swap tab here. Now, like the image, we have to upload the source video footage. After uploading the video footage, come to the second step and upload the reference face image. Once done, simply hit Start Face Swapping. It will take some time. Here's one thing. Let me be clear. You can swap faces only 3 times every 12 hours. This condition is only applicable to videos. The images are unlimited. If you are in a longer queue than 250, you may face problems and have to try several times to get access. Alright, our final video is ready. Let's have a look. This is just amazing. So now you can swap faces from both images and videos. Alright, now let's try the multiple face swap feature. This feature is available only for images at this moment. To try this feature, I will use this image. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will detect all the faces. Now you just have to upload a reference face image for every image. Once you are done, click on Start Multi-Face Swap. After waiting some time, I got this result. And look at this. It works perfectly. PixNova produces a high-quality result. Here, you can see the before and after versions and the face I used to create the face swap. This is just amazing. So, whether you want to swap faces from any image or video, you can do it for free on PixNova AI. Most importantly, it produces high-quality results despite being free to use. Alright, now imagine you want to change the outfit of any model or character. You can do it on PixNova. Simply, come to the AI Fun Tool tab from here. You will find a bunch of options. This time, we have to choose the AI Clothes Changer feature. Here, you will find two options, Auto and Manual. Let's start with Auto mode. Okay, here we have to upload the model image you want to use. After uploading the image, enter the prompt to describe the desired clothes. For example, I am typing, white lace tube, top waist skirt. Once done, hit Start Cloth Swapping and wait some time. And here is the resulting image. Look how beautifully it replaces the clothing on the model. In this method, you can create any kind of outfit for your model, even create NSFW content. Alright, in the manual method, you have to upload the model image first. After uploading the image, you have to select the clothing area. After that, enter the new clothing description in this box. Once done, hit Start Cloth Swapping. And here is the resulting image. This is incredible. Alright, now you can turn your photo into anime with PixNova AI. Come to the AI Fun Tools tab from here and then select AI Photo to Anime. Once you are on this page, click here and then upload the original photo. After that, come to the prompt box and enter the prompt to describe the image you want. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our anime image is ready. Here you can see how seamlessly it turns the photo into an anime image. That's really impressive. Now if you find the image quality very low, you can enhance and upscale it with the AI Image Upscaler tool. After coming to this page, click here and then upload the image you want to upscale. After that, select the upscale factor and hit the Upscale It button from here. And here it is. The image has been upscaled. You can see the result. It's amazing. Now in the same method, you can enhance the image quality with the Image Enhance tool. In conclusion, PixNova is the best place for creators and AI enthusiasts. It offers a huge number of services and all are 100% free. So, why are you wasting money on paid tools? Use PixNova AI and enjoy free AI tools. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about PixNova AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, happy creating!